Okay. I made a big dent. It doesn't look like it. Still got a ton of room left. A ton of room. As you get out of there, weird little dog. Yeah, I'm doing good with space, and I've got 6 tubs emptied out, organized, a bunch of stuff thrown out, and okay. Next, let me give you a little backup shot here. It's raining out. I'm gonna call it a day. Go feed my cat. Okay, I'm going to paint what I've got. And I'm going to start hanging all my tools, pipe wrenches, hammers, sledgehammers, cords, air hoses, axes, chains, everything that I typically hang on the wall is going on that wall after I paint it. And then, I haven't told my wife yet. Let me sit down and tell you about this. Oh yeah, I bought this for $10 today. I like it. Golly. My bench. This is, it's got to be 12 foot long. Yeah. I'm only going to have a 7-foot bench. So my bench is going to come over a foot. It's going to start here. And it's going to go 7 feet. So it will be right where that 4x4 is. And I'll have that space open to the right. And this space, I'm buying the Lamborghini tool chest. Going right here. I've had this thing for 30 years. It served me well. But since this is my last shop and my last toolbox, you'll know what I mean. The Cobalt one at Lowe's, the big fancy one with the hood that raises, and it's got mag wheels and polished aluminum manifold. Anyway, that's what I'm going to get, and it's going to go right there. And I'm going to get all this painted and done. And then I'm going to move on over here because I got to add outlets, add electricity, and that's going to be a little more time consuming over here. I can get all the way done to that corner, and then I'm going to paint the wall, and then I'm going to build my bench. And I'm going to have it just like my old place where I had a shelf here, but underneath it I had another shelf where I slid these parts. Here they are, right here. Right here. Got 4 of them. I still plan on, working on weed eaters and stuff. And I still plan on making knives, but I got to get this done. I waited till it cooled down, and now it's cooled down enough for me to work outside. And I'm going to get as much as I can done before it gets too cold. So, let me go feed the cat and go to the house. Okay, everybody's ate. Well, not people, the dogs. It's raining out. Bev is making spaghetti. So my stomach is rumbling, thinking about spaghetti. And my purpose for this clip is I'm going to show you a picture of a bunch of bottles. And this is what I've had to deal with and find ways to get rid of legally and safely. And this time it's a bunch of, good Lord, power steering fluid. No, automatic transmission fluid, and power steering fluid, and brake fluid, and some motor honey, and tubs of grease that have been there for who knows how many years. And I got 2 options, take them to a disposal facility and maybe even pay a fee, or put an ad on Let Go saying, I'm putting this tub filled with all this transmission fluid and brake fluid and grease cans and power steering fluid outside my gate. You can have it, and you can even have the tub. And here's my address. It's still there. It's only been up for a couple hours, and who knows? It might even fill up with the water. I may end up having to get rid of it, but it sure would be nice if somebody would come down there and grab it. Okay, that's what this clip was for, to tell you what that picture is. See you tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow's doctor. Tomorrow I got to go to Oh, and I might get Billy Thursday and Friday. So things are looking up. Alrighty. See ya. God, blah, 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 blah. That's the worst tasting apple juice I've ever had. My God. I'm bringing that back.